Sarura Kids.
Hi, and welcome to Sarura Kids channel. We're just days away from our launch date, and we're super excited to have you on board. Today, we just want to share some of the things that you can look forward to once we go live on the 1st of December 2019. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button now. Also, if you love what we're about to, then share this video or this channel with a friend, and tell that friend to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend, and to tell a friend. When we go live, we're going to introduce you to Gogo Alice. She has lots that she wants to teach you, and it's all going to be in Shona, so you can dive right in and learn along with her. Don't worry though, we have handy English subtitles so the grown-ups can tell you what it's all about. You're also going to meet some amazing kids next week who are already learning Shona right here in the UK, and they can't wait for you to learn right along with them. Don't forget to take our challenge and find out the names of some of your favourite farm animals in Shona next Monday. And next Thursday, buckle down and ask the grown-ups how to say Zefunde as we dive into a Shona story or Ngano. There's loads for you to dive into, and we hope that you enjoy it all. There's also stuff for the grown-ups to learn along with you so they can help you on your journey. On Tuesday, we're going to be learning our vowels. You might know them as A, E, I, O, U. But in Shona, we say A, E, I, O, U. We can't wait to get to know you and to have fun learning and speaking Shona together. Have a beautiful day. Mumanezwa rakanaka.